Hi girls and boys. So on our lesson plan today, it said Mom and Dad could read you Hickory, Dickory, Dock, and I still want them to do that, and I want you to read it with them, or say it with them, but I made this cool little mouse puppet, so I thought I would show you how the little nursery rhyme goes. And then I'll show you how to make the little puppet, if you want to make one, okay? So it goes like this, ready? Hickory, dickory, dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, and down he'd run. Hickory, dickory, dock. This is a clock. It's got that circle, but notice the numbers are a little bit different. Those are called Roman numerals. So that's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just like on a regular clock, but they're like in a different language. So follow me, and I'll show you how to make a mouse and how to draw a mouse. Okay, so this is kind of our creation station. This is my husband's office, and it's where I do a lot of my work too, so it's kind of messy. Can you guys see my paper? I have a circle on my paper. To draw the circle, you just use a little plate. And then you cut out the circle. Move your paper. Remember, thumb on top, chop, chop, chop. Don't throw this away, you're gonna need it. You fold it in half, and you fold it in half again. Moms and dads, they're probably gonna need your help with this. It's kind of little work, you know, little pieces and whatnot, but then they can have a mouse to play with. And 1 makes 4 mice, so you're gonna cut out each one of those folds. Cutting right on the fold. Mom and Dad, if you want to make it easier for them, you can just draw the line across and down. But we're only going to make one right now. So you need a glue stick. And Miss Jean's office at the school is some packets we put together. It has construction paper, scissors, glue, a paintbrush, a pencil, and I think that's about it, because I don't think we're going to be needing more than that. But they're in Miss Jean's office at the preschool. If you need one, feel free to go get it. They're all set up, and you just need to go grab one. You're going to put glue on just one corner of the pie, like that. And then you roll it up. Just like that. And there's your mouse. Oh, that's kind of boring, isn't it? Let's make them more fun. So, what do we need? We need a tail, and we need 2 ears, and we'll need some whiskers. So, we'll cut a tail. You just use that extra paper you have, and as long or as short as you want. It's a bit long for me. I'm going to make it a little bit shorter. And then you can make your tail curly, but you have to be, parents have to do this, and you have to be very gentle, just like you would a ribbon. Just curl it. Then we need some ears. So you're just gonna draw, just use your imagination and what you think an ear might look like. They kind of look like a little teardrop, like that. See my 2 ears for my little mouse? And we need whiskers. So you just cut. You don't even need lines. Just cut 2 skinny little pieces of paper. But if you want lines, Mom and Dad can draw them for you. Okay. Now we have all our pieces. But before we put our ears on, we want to add some color. I'm going to make my mouse have purple. So you just color inside. And color inside this one. Let me put it over here so you can kind of see it. Maybe. It's moving on me. And then you fold it, because the foldy part right there, that's where the glue's going to go to stick them onto your mouse. So then you just put that glue on the little part that you folded. And you stick it on there. And you can make your mouse have a long nose by putting it back further, or a short nose by putting it up closer. Whatever you want. There's no wrong way. There's our mouse. See his two ears? Let's give him some eyeballs. I'm going to give him green eyes. You can give your mouse whatever color eyes you want. And then he gets a little nose. I'm going to give him a pink nose. Right down here. And then you put a little bit of glue in the middle. And glue your whiskers to make a flat X. Not a big X, a flat X. And there's his whiskers. You put, oh, my X turned into an L. Put it back up. I have an audience, guys. It's making me nervous. Then you glue your whiskers on the bottom, like that. Flatten his nose a little bit, and then you can scooch his nose back out. And then you just put a little bit of glue on the end of your tail and glue them inside. And there is your mouse that you can use to do Hickory Dickory Dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1 and down he'd run. Hickory Dickory Dock. Can you find the rhyming words? One more thing, real quick, because I said in my lesson plans to draw a mouse. I'm going to show you 2 different ways to draw a mouse. And I have not drawn a mouse before. I had to look it up online how to do this. So hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. So you can start. I'm going to draw him upside down. Okay, so he's upside right for you. So I'm going to put 2 dots here and 1 dot there to make a, what shape is that? It's a triangle, right? And then you give him 2 big circles here and little circles inside. And then a circle down here for his nose. And then he can have his eyes. And you can give him eyelashes if you want. Then you can draw a body down here and his tail. Easy peasy mac and cheesy, right? There's one mouse. And then color it for me. And I want to see a picture of it, okay? Make sure you write your name somewhere on here. Okay? And then the last one, I actually have to cheat and look at my computer. So it starts down here with a circle for his nose. And then you draw a circle like that. And then you draw 2 circles here and here. Those are his ears. And then from his ears back here, kind of, well, from like right here, you draw a big one like that for his body. And then you can draw his tail. And then you can just draw his face. Here's his eyes and his whiskers. We forgot whiskers on this guy. So there's 2 different ways to draw a mouse. However you want to do it, it's your art. There's no wrong way. I want to see a picture of it, okay? Mom and Dad can send it to me by my email. And be sure to put your name on top of whichever one it is so I know who did it. And if I can see your cool face, beautiful face when you show me the picture, that'd be awesome. All right, guys, I love you so much. I miss you so, so much. I hope you're able to get outside and enjoy this beautiful sunshine today. And I hope I get to see you soon. Mwah!